Let's look at the steps on how to make the semi-basic 2D shapes using the Basic Shapes drawing tools and the Select tool features. Toggle to the three views. To make a trapezium, select the Square tool. Click and drag to make a rectangle in the top. Select around the rectangle with the Select key and double-click until you see the little green squares. Move the two top corners to form a trapezium. To make a parallelogram on the right side of the trapezium and aligned with it, select the Square tool. Click and drag to make a rectangle on the top. Select around the rectangle with the Select key and double-click until you see the little green squares. Move the corners and relocate them to form a parallelogram. To make a diamond on the right side of the parallelogram and aligned with it, select the square. Click and drag to make a square. Select around the square and click once to see the little red squares. Reach the corner with the cursor from outside to see the handle. Rotate the square and squeeze it from the sides to make a diamond. To make a right-angled triangle on the right side of the diamond and aligned with it, select the triangle. Then click and drag to make a triangle. Select around the triangle with the Select key and double-click until you see the little green squares. Move the corners and align them to form a right-angled triangle. To make a free triangle on the right side of the right-angled triangle and aligned with it, repeat the same earlier steps to make a free triangle. Move the corners freely at your discretion. To make an oval on the right side of the free triangle and aligned with it, make a circle. Select around the circle until you see the little red squares. Squeeze the circle from its sides to make an oval. To see the 2D shapes you made in 3D mode, click on Square and make a shallow rectangle in the front. Make the rectangle long enough to match the overall width of all shapes in top. Solve to see all your 2D sketches as 3D shapes with shallow thickness. Click Save. Save your file in your Drawings folder under Semi-Basic 2D Shapes.